Hello everybody! So I'm in the office today and I'm setting up for baby Adam's birthday, which is tomorrow. We got Mike here. Hello.
Oh, hi.
Hi. Sorry, you're just in the background. I wanted to say that you were here, you know.
Yeah.
So here's like kind of the mass pile. I've been kind of collecting Toy Story stuff over the last couple of weeks because baby Adam loves his Toy Story and I'm so excited. So some of the stuff I got at Walmart, yeah, like these I got at Walmart, some on eBay, some at Party City. So I'm gonna set up for like 2 like epic Toy Story videos. And my plans are, which I'll show you. So we're gonna have him come in the office, which he, oh, sorry, let me get the light on, which he loves the office. So I'm gonna turn like this whole area into like Toy Story land. I'm gonna put up the posters. I was thinking of putting like little clouds on the wall for him and then like setting up these boxes for him to open toys from in there. Sorry, it's like hard to tell, but you'll see. And then this table with like tons of presents. I don't know, it's gonna be epic and I think he'll love it. And seriously, this is gonna be like the all day, like I'm seriously planning on like all day setting this up, so I'll show you throughout. Great, we've made a little bit of progress. So I added this to the wall and it just kind of clings to the wall on its own. I added some stickies to it, but it kind of just stuck there. So it was pretty easy to set up. I have these boxes, which I'm going to recover and I'll surprise baby Adam by putting like his presents in these boxes. And then now to like the balloon drop, which is like kind of like the signature thing to my channel. So I bought this and then I bought balloons of like green and purple just to kind of match Buzz's outfit. So I guess I should have got more lime green. Oh well. And then some like little party favorite toys to put in the balloons. And I have all these like figurines to put in the balloons and then some will just have nothing. So I will be blowing up balloons for the next hour. Alright, the balloons are up. That was like quite the workout. It's hard because in our office we have the like foamy kind of ceiling. So you have to like, if you can see, I tied in between these little bars and then it's hard to get into the side of the wall there too. But anyway, so half of these balloons have toys, half do not. So baby Adam can kind of play with the balloons, you know, but then also pop them. And I put like tiny little Toy Story toys. Yeah, oh wait, here we go. Can you see Slinky Dog? That's pretty cool. Let's see if we can see anybody else. Oh yeah, here's something. What's this? Oh, it's the little green alien. Let's see, and then what else do we have? Huh, yeah, that's all I can see from here, but there's, I think I put 12 prizes in here. Office, and we're going to show Alex and Eva that what I made for baby Adam's birthday. Wow, is that cool?
Yeah.
Look, he's got a pinata.
Ooh.
That's like a little cool Toy Story display. I'm gonna put the pinata probably over here somewhere.
Is it not hitting it with the bag?
Yeah, it's like a pull string. Yeah.
Yeah, there are 2 types of pinatas.
Yeah. This is the second type.
Back then it was a glass vase.
Oh, way back in the day? Like when they invented a pinata?
Yeah, and I'm actually pretty sure it's like clay.
Oh, yeah.
Or
to make it.
Basket.
Yeah.
And then there'd be only like fruit inside.
Yeah.
And I'm pretty sure there'd be a lot of sharp pieces.
Yeah.
Ow, fruit. I got like toy splinters for an orange.
That's true. So, oh yeah, here you guys can see there's toys in here, like Slinky Dog. Do you see him in the balloon?
Yeah.
Right there. And then I did the posters. This box thing, honestly, I think it looks really good. So I have toys in here. I got, oh guys, so spoiler alert right here. And this one is a Pizza Planet playset.
This one?
Yep, hey, don't kick it through. No. Hey, don't even kick it. It took forever to do this. But I think, yeah, he'll really like it. And then I even got some Toy Story balloons I'll put in the corner for tomorrow. So it's gonna be like full on crazy birthday.
Yeah.
Very spoiled.
Oh wait,
baby.
I have a question.
Yeah.
This Pizza Planet playset.
It's Imaginext.
Oh, it's Imaginext. I thought it went to like, you would know it where there's the 2 playsets connected, Andy's room, and then it playtime from the 3rd movie.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, Sunnyside.
No. At the beginning is a movie.
Yes. Yeah. Oh, yeah. When he's playing. Yeah, the Western town. Yeah.
Yeah, I saw it added on to that.
Oh, it might. I'd have to look it up. You tired? Hey, I do have a snack here if you wanted one.
Yeah.
Ava's been wanting a snack. I have like.
Tired because
Yeah, it's like bedtime.
It's
a long day. Yeah. Well, it's not. It's like 8:15. We gotta get ready for bed. Oh yeah, right here. Not the cookies, but I have these Pop-Tart crisps if you want to try one. It's pretty good.
I don't like that.
What? You've never even had it.
Do it.
Fine, one Oreo.
Thank you.
Yep. Here's the office. Nice and dirty. Anyway. Okay, let's go. It's fine. I just picked up Buzz Lightyear Balloons. So this is like a giant one. Once you see in the office, you'll kind of, I don't know if you can see, I don't know. It's huge. And then we have this like kind of medium-sized Buzz, and then alien balloons with Buzz and Woody. That's so cute. This all looks really fun. So it kind of goes with the room. And I think Baby Anna will be like really excited. We've never gotten, like we've gotten like 1 or 2 balloons for our kids, but never anything like this big. So I'm pretty excited. Just waiting for your little birthday baby to come. Isn't that cool, Buzz Lightyear? Hey, wait, let's show off your full costume. You look so cute. And it's comfy too?
Yeah.
Yeah, you make like the perfect Jessie. Oh, by the way, we did buy this and they never took the security tag off and haven't had time to take it back. So we'll go maybe tomorrow and fix that. Do you know what his presents are? I like the balloons. Those are really cool.
You got this from the store.
Yeah, that's the Woody hat.
Yeah.
I just put it in the bag because the bag looks really cute. And the Buzz.
I saw you pick this bag out.
Yeah, he's like, woo.
Wait, he does. He's watching. I have a hat. This is my red hat.
Yeah, so you match Jessie perfectly. Do you want to go see it? Here, you can show him. Okay, here, open it. Do you want to see all your Toy Stories?
Oh.
Whoa, what is that?
No.
What is it?
This is the coolest thing I've ever. What is that? Toy Story.
It's
what?
a big Buzz?
That's a big Buzz balloon. That's pretty cool. So it stands.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
What
Presents?
Look, a balloons.
Yeah, you got our balloons.
A Buzz Lightyear rocket ship.
Yeah, Buzz Lightyear rocket ship. Wow.
Look, it's a go by.
Wait, do you see Zurg?
No, aliens bug toys.
Yeah, aliens toys. Yeah, do you see Buzz and Woody there? And wait, look over here. Wait, look over there. Yeah, there's more boxes.
Oh, there was Buzz and Fly. Yeah.
Yeah, that's so cool.
Yeah. Here.
Hey, wait, where's Jessie?
This is.
Wait, Jessie's right there.
This is too tall.
Yeah. Hey, wait, and then look up here. What's up there? Look at all the balloons up high. Do you see all those balloons?
No, not Buzz and Buzz.
Yeah. Oh, you got your little Buzz figurine too.
Oh, it's so scary.
Here, we lifted him up. Wow! Is that so cool? It's so cute, buddy.
That's
Aw.
cool, dude.
Okay, we're gonna have Dad get in his Woody costume, and then do you want to open presents?
Yeah.
Toy Story toys.
Are you happy? Happy birthday! No, Buzz Lightyear. It looks so small compared to the balloon. You want to open that present? Yeah? Yeah? Okay, we'll open presents. Okay. We found Mike's office where he has Toy Story toys to film, but not for a birthday.
Look.
What? You found all the toys? We're gonna open more toys though.
Buddy, is that cool? Toy
Yeah,
Story
cookie.
toys?
Okay, hey, we're gonna go open presents though.
Oh, look.
I know. We should have given you that for your birthday, huh?
Oh, a C car.
Oh, the RC car.
A C guitar.
Yeah.
Sneaky dog.
Okay,
or
we gotta get him out of here so we can open his real presents.
Rex.
Oh, look, Rex and the pig.
That's Jessie.
Yeah, do you see Jessie? Oh, and your aliens.
Oh,
Okay,
your aliens?
okay.
Keep breaking.
Sorry about
Oh boy.
that.
Which one is that one?
Breaking.
Buzz and Jessie?
Look,
Hey, that's
it's
you guys.
breaking.
Okay, here, wait, let me have the cookie.
Ju-